more. Done. Can I open this? I can't. Can I make yours? It's ketchup. I have yellow buttons. It's yummy. It's done? Can I add more? It's more. It's done. And plate in bowl. Can I make your sandwich? Add more. Chicken. Yummy chicken. I want to make yours. You put this mine. Hello, everyone. I'm making. Add more. I'm so good. Mama, it's done. I can add this. Can I cut this? I can cut chicken. Can I do like this? Oh, I cut it. Woohoo! One more. Mama, your tongue is bloody. But it is done. Bye bye everyone. See you next time. Bye bye. I can add more. In this I add more and I love you. I love you so much. Can I put this?